Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Sandy here, and today I'm going to walk you through my garden. Now, I'm not a gardener, so I'm very new to this, but I do go out there and try a little bit each year, so I'm going to share it with you.
Okay, so this is my herb garden. I got some peppermint here. I have oregano here, Italian oregano, Italian parsley, rosemary, and then this is my sweet mint here. Back here I have lettuce, I have red leaf lettuce, and I have red romaine lettuce. Last year my lettuce did really well. We'll see how it does this year. And then back here I have some cabbage collards. Actually they're Georgia collards, but one of them did say it was like a hybrid of cabbage and collards. But anyway, that's what I have there. First time ever trying those, so we'll see how they do. So far they look really good. Then over here, another first time, I am trying to see if I can grow some sweet potatoes, and I am seeing roots coming out here, so they are doing what they're supposed to do, I guess. So I will let them stay a couple more days, and then I'll try to plant those and see how they do. I have strawberries here. Last year my strawberries did not do well, but we'll see this year. Over here, this little space tends to do really well typically, so we'll see. But I've got green pepper, I've got squash, I've got poblano pepper, I've got Savoy cabbage back here, and I've got a chili red pepper, and then this big tall one here is a habanero pepper. So far everything's been out here for about a week, and it is still green, and it looks like it's doing what it's supposed to do. So I am optimistic. We'll see how it goes. I know the herbs will do well. I've grown them for the last couple of years, and the mint typically takes over. I'll have plenty of mint for sure.